Your Frigidaire refrigerator suddenly starts beeping non-stop, even though the doors appear closed and the fridge still seems to cool normally. Sometimes the alarm begins after a power outage, while other times it happens randomly during everyday use. This kind of beeping is usually started by temperature warnings, door sensor issues, cooling interruptions, or control panel alerts rather than a completely broken refrigerator. In many situations, the fridge is simply notifying you that something needs attention before temperatures rise too high. Before unplugging the refrigerator permanently or assuming a major repair is needed, these are the steps you can try to fix this and stop the beeping properly. 1. Check both refrigerator and freezer doors for proper closure completely. 2. Press the alarm reset or mute button on the control panel if available. 3. Rearrange food containers that may block the doors from sealing tightly. 4. Inspect the door gaskets carefully for dirt, gaps, or damage. 5. Allow the refrigerator time to cool again after recent power interruptions. 6. Unplug the Frigidaire refrigerator briefly and reconnect power afterward. 7. Monitor the display and confirm the beeping stops once temperatures stabilize.